Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up Files app. So just pull up the app tray and you will find it right here, File Manager. Tap on it. Then we want to go into Local, where it shows us two different storages. So there is the phone and the SD card. Now let me actually first capture a couple of photos so I have something to transfer. Okay, there we go. So I can go back to here, and key thing to keep in mind, photos and videos will always be located under the DCIM folder as long as they were captured with the device itself. Pictures, folder called Pictures, will have screenshots. Then downloads will contain anything that you have downloaded using a browser or email. And then rest is usually placed there by the user, so music, podcasts, stuff like that. So number one, find whatever that is that you wish to copy or move, which for me is just going to be the photos that I have taken as an example, and then you want to select them. So you select them by just holding the file for about a second, and then it brings up the check mark, and then you can just additionally tap on other ones to add them to the check. And if you have an entire folder full of photos that you want to remove, you can also go back and just select the entire folder itself along with all of its content. And once you have selected whatever that is that you want to, just tap on the three dots, and here you have the two options, either move or copy. So choose whichever one suits you. Move will completely remove the file from where it is right now and move it to a new location, while copy will just create additional set of the same files. So I'm just going to choose move here, and then we want to move it. So let's go back to local, and the photos right now are located on the phone, so I'm going to move them to SD card as an example. And just to keep it a little organized, I'm going to move them into here, so into the DCIM folder, where on the phone was also on the DCIM. And I can press here, paste, gives the progress, and there we go. Those are the 4 pictures, and they're located in all double camera folder. As you can see, it's camera. There was already a camera folder in there, that's why, and they are now located right here. And if I go back to the phone, they will be completely removed because of the choice because I chose to move them. So that is how you would transfer files. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.